Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today I would like to share with you how we can use this Bagua mirror to help us offset some like a bad luck feng shui energy. You go back to Asia, it's quite common. Some of the family, they will hang this Bagua mirror on their front door. There's a reason for them to do that. Normally, when we open our front door, we see something not really good, which is, for example, we see a T-streak in front of us, or when we open it, we see like a big tree on our front door, or when we open the front door, we see like a strict sign pointing to us, or we see the edge of another building just pointing to our front door, which bring like some negative feng shui energy to our front door. So at that time, we'll do some feng shui setting to offset it. And one of the good way to do that is we will hang this Bagua mirror. You can see that this is the convex one. The convex one have some function is they want to push. They can push and kick those bad energy out. So it can help to protect the family. Normally we'll do it in a 3 different layers, which is the sky layer, we'll hang this Bagua mirror, and we'll also do something on this human layer, the middle one, and on the floor layer, we also do something feng shui setting to offset those bad luck feng shui energy. So it's quite common for them to do that. Or you will see that there's some Bagua mirror, it's not a convex one, it's a concave one. And there's some reason for them to do that. When you open the front door, you see a stair downstairs, so it means the money will escape, and then it's not really good for your money luck. And then at that time, you hand this concave Bagua mirror, try to absorb, try to suck the good energy back. But we need to do something protection. So we'll buy this Bagua mirror with this one, this traditional fuzhou at the back. This is like a filter, so it can help to protect us. We want to absorb the energy back, but we want to absorb just the good energy. The bad energy, we don't want it. So we'll use this as a filter to block the bad energy and make sure that the good energy, we can absorb it. So it's really common in Asia. Or you can also find there's some family, they'll hang a fat layer of this Bagua mirror. So there's 3 different styles. A convex one, a concave one, and a flat layer one. So 3 different styles. But today I want to share with you something special, which is before you hang this Bagua mirror, I hope you to think twice, because I don't want you to bring any unnecessary conflict between you and your neighborhood, especially when your neighborhood is in front of you. You hang this Bagua mirror, there may be a chance that you offend them, or they will think that, hey, you do something against them. Then you will create unnecessary conflict. I have a friend in China, his name is Mr. Chen. He had a really bad experience when he hung this Bagua mirror. So here's the case. His home is quite special. His front door is in front of another family, it's one family front door. So the 2 family, the front door is against each other. So in the feng shui terms of view, this is we call the argument door. So the door is against the door, have some like an argument issue, conflict issue. So it's not really good for the feng shui. And before, everything's still fine, because they just say hi, and then they don't have too much interaction for each other. Everything is fine. And we don't know why. At one morning, my friend Mr. Chen, when he opened the front door, he shocked. Oh, what happened? Because at that family, they just do the laundry, and then they hang all those like clothes on the front door and dry it, which is quite common for them to do that. Because for us, we will use the laundry, and then we will dry our clothes, and then we won't hang it outside. But for them, it's quite common for them to do that. But this is not a really good thing, because normally we will hang in our backyard or another location, but for them, they hang it on the front door. So at the morning, when my friend Mr. Chen, he opened the front door, he said, wow, why you can hang those like a dirty clothes on in front of me? Because for them, they hang those socks, they hang those like underwear in front of the front door, so make it not feel really good. So for the whole morning, Mr. Chen, he he said he really feel like a piece off, and then he just don't have any mood for his whole day. So he's really upset to them, and it keep happening every single day. So my friend, Mr. Chen, he just talked to his wife. He said, oh, he's not going to do that, so maybe we go to talk to them, but they don't listen. So what they're going to do is they install this Bagua mirror, try to reflect the bad energy, so can protect us, protect them. And at that time, the other family, the Wang family, they feel, hey, how can you put this Bagua mirror in front of us? So they feel pissed off, they feel like an offense, so they are going to hand a bigger one. So Mr. Chen, he hand a small Bagua mirror, but for them, the Mr. Wang one, they hand a bigger one, a larger one, stronger one, Bagua mirror to reflect the image. So the conflict become more and more. They have more and more arguments, more and more conflict. And my friend, Mr. Chen, he cannot stand for it. So he installed like a rocky lion, and his wife is also put some cement on the bottom, try to secure this rocky lion, make sure it is on the front door, and then nobody try to steal it, and then facing them. And for them, for Wang family, they feel really angry and pissed off. They buy a bigger one, large one, rocky lion facing back. So you can see that there's a 4 lions, 2 small ones on this side, and then 2 big ones on that side facing each other. And then after that time, lots of unnecessary like accidents, small accident, and conflict between those 2 families. And there's one morning, Mr. Chen, my friend, and his wife, we don't know why, his wife just maybe feel pissed off or feel angry. He just used the wet pen to put some red color on this Bagua mirror and put some red color on the eye of the rocky like a lion, so make it like a really angry style. And for them, for Mr. Wang family, they also don't feel really good. They also do the same, also put the lion's eye become red. Okay, at that time, a lot of accidents happen. For example, when the time Mrs. Chen want to prepare for the dinner, they cut the vegetable, and then he cut his finger. And for the other side, the Wang family, when his kid just come back from the school, he got hit by a bicycle. And then for Mr. Chen, he get some paper cut. And then for them, we don't know why, he just walked downstairs and then break his leg. So you can see that lots of accident and sickness issue just keep bothering these 2 families. And at that time, my friend Mr. Chen, he really calmed down, and he talked to his wife, hey, we can't do this anymore. If we keep wasting the conflict or keeping the conflict like this, it's not good for us, and it's not good for them too. It's non-stop revenge is not the case. So what they're going to do is they find an old gentleman which is quite have a good reputation in their village, and then they find this old gentleman, help them to negotiate to the Wang family. So why don't we just take off everything and then we get back to normal? We don't want any conflict, okay? So it's not good for them, it's not good for us. And for this Wang family, they also agree to do that, because it doesn't make sense. You keep watching to your family member have some accident happen to them, although the accident is not so serious, but it's also not really good. So they prepare to take those Bagua mirror off, to remove the rocky like a lion, to put their clothes in at the back, so make sure that the front door is back to the normal. After that, everything become normal. Nothing happened. People become more get back to normal life. So this is a really like a bad experience to my friend Mr. Chen, and I don't want that bad experience affecting you. So before you hand this Bagua mirror, you need to think twice. Although there's a really good benefit for this one, but we don't want to bring unnecessary conflict to do that. So before you do that, maybe you need to think twice. Or if there's some conflict between you and your neighborhood, you need to be careful, or maybe you can remove it, use another feng shui setting to offset those bad luck energy. Okay, I wish you good luck. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you want to learn more about traditional feng shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current feng shui setting and yearly feng shui tips, I also have a book for you, free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.